y'all?
Yeah, that's what I was looking
Jonathan
at.
Belcher here. Roll me for a little bit. I'm on Venice Beach right now in California. I am rich. I am financially free. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly.
Absolutely.
I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. I am rich. I am financially free. I'm financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. Check out this dog right here. Look at that guy right there. 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 I am rich. I'm financially free. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. You say a simple affirmation every single day with conviction and authority. I'm telling you, it's gonna change your life. And that's what I want to talk to you about in this video today. This is more like a vlog mixed with one of motivational videos that I normally do. You know the style how we do in the 300 to Freedom movement. But in this video, I want to talk to you about the power of affirmations and speaking your world into existence. If you want something, you gotta talk like you already got it. If you want something, you gotta feel like you already have it. You gotta feel like you already accomplished it. It's beautiful out here, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the beach. I'm about to go to the beach in a little bit. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at that view. The world is your oyster. Don't let nobody tell you any different. The world is your oyster. We're stronger together than we are apart. We are stronger together than we are apart. Through coming together, through teaching one another and expressing love and camaraderie and educating one another, anything is possible. But really and truly, affirmations are about speaking your world into existence. You gotta speak your world into existence. So don't speak about what you don't want. Don't focus too much on what you don't want, because what you're doing is attracting it to you. Speak of the things you do want. Speak life over yourself. Speak life over your business. Speak life over your family. Speak life over your friends. Claim health, claim wealth, 24/7, no matter how things may be looking in your life, because you don't know how tomorrow is gonna look. You know what I'm saying? So, it's just so beautiful out here. One thing about Los Angeles is that we got a little wind, we got a little breeze out here. In New York, when it's hot, ain't no breeze. It's just still humidity. You know what I'm saying? Just straight humid. But I love LA because it's very breezy, beautiful weather, beautiful people. And this is what it's about. This is what financial freedom is about. It's about traveling the world, being who you want to be, and really just ignoring the haters, ignoring the critics. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. Got my cousin Kamo with me.
Yes,
We ain't paintballing today.
Nah,
We ain't
man.
doing the paintball today. We ain't doing that today. You know,
Today
last
it's
time we was doing the
different time.
paintballing, but today we doing we on the beach today.
Yes, man.
You know what I mean? We
Relaxing.
living,
Taking all
enjoying
this
life.
in, man. Taking all this in.
That's
It's a
right.
blessing, man. A blessing. I'm thankfully grateful. You know?
That's right.
I'm gratefully thankful at all times.
That's what it's about.
So,
Keeping that positive mind, that positive energy, and you move with that.
Yes, sir.
Great
Yes,
things,
sir.
only great things can come in your life.
vibrations are endless, man.
That's right. So y'all ready? You going to the beach? All right, cool. Let's go.
Wait.
So just walk with us for a little bit. We're gonna go on the beach and lay out some blankets and some towels and stuff and catch a breeze. I'm definitely getting in that water, because that water is hailing to the soul. We don't got water like this in New York. We don't got no clear water. We don't got no water you could just look right through.
Can we take a selfie?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but this is what it's about. Doing what you love with the people you love. Wow, beautiful. So if you want to change your life, Create yourself an affirmation that you say with power and conviction every single day. It was in an experiment, they found that if you keep a habit going for 21 days straight, your brain basically becomes that what you want to be. So if you keep saying good things about yourself and about your situation for 21 days straight, using an affirmation, what's going to happen is your brain is really going to start to believe that. So if you keep telling yourself you're rich or you're powerful or you're strong or you're happy, joyous, whatever it is you keep telling yourself, it's going to happen because that's the way the brain works. You know what I mean? Negative or positive. Well, that's the power in affirmations. And when you talk about the law of attraction, affirmations are a great way to attract what you want to you. It's a great way to attract what you want to you. And don't underestimate the power of your words, because your words are constructive. They can be either constructive or destructive, depending on how you use them. And I try my hardest not to use destructive words, because I know how powerful it is when you say a certain word and it goes out there into the universe. You're bringing it back to you. It's like a boomerang. The universe is like a boomerang. You say something, it goes out there to the universe and it's going to bring it right back to you. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, it's so nice out here. Feels great. "300 to Freedom" movement is about freedom. Doing what you want when you want. It's about having more time to spend with the people you love. It's about earning income as your own boss or as your own brand. Doesn't mean you have to quit your job. There's people out there who love their job. Understood. But if there's something that you want, I want you to affirm that you already have it. Just try it. Just try it for some time. Try saying a powerful affirmation for yourself every single day when you wake up, and watch what happens in your life. If you keep saying it every single day, every single day, every single day, "I am rich, I am financially free, I am financially prosperous, money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved. I am rich, I am financially free, I am financially prosperous, money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved." You know, keep saying some powerful affirmation every single day. You'll see that slowly but surely, those things you're speaking on will start to come into your life. It'll start to become a reality, because that's how manifestation works. Your brain focuses on something, and what happens is your brain goes out there and figures out how to bring whatever it is that you want into fruition. You know? And it doesn't matter how big of a dream you may have. It doesn't matter how complex it may seem or how hard it may seem to accomplish. Once you know why, you're always going to figure out the how. You're always going to figure out the how once you know why you're on the path that you want. And usually the why is tied into impacting and helping people or inspiring people. And when you focus on your why, even when you get a little overwhelmed, even when you get a little distracted, even when you get a little down and out on yourself, you get back to why you started what you're doing in the first place, or why you decided to get started in your own business, or why you decided to launch that, clothing line, or why you decided to work on a certain project, or why you decided to forgive somebody, forgive yourself. When you focus on the reason why, it always brings you back to the root. It brings you back to the root. And you remember again why you're here. You remember why you're doing what you're doing. Most of why I do what I do, honestly, to be real with you, what keeps me going is the people who hit me up every single day and they say, "John, I appreciate you. This is why I appreciate you. I appreciate you because of this." Or I'm inspired by you because of this. Or people tell me, "Oh, I let my kids watch this video of you and they're learning a lot from your videos." That's why I do this, is hopefully my words can inspire you to believe in yourself enough to go after whatever you want, because you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want to do. Whatever your mind is set on, you can do. You can attain anything you want. All life is a matter of, all money and success is just a mindset. That's really all it is. It's just a mindset. And when you have the mindset conducive to growth, all that happens is you become more alive. Because essentially, if you're not growing, you're dying. So if you have a mindset where you're hungry to learn more, you're hungry to master your craft, you're hungry to get more educated, you're hungry to develop your skills, if you're hungry to learn how to become better in business, learn how to become better in relationships, you're hungry to learn, see, people think success is just about making money. It's not. It's not. I'm gonna tell you what success is about. It's about the person you have to become to make the money you wanna make. Success is about you becoming the person you want to become to make the money you wanna make. That's what it's about. And through consciousness, through shared consciousness, through telepathy, we're stronger together than we are apart. It will always be that way. If you are on a mission with 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, and y'all all on the same mission, y'all all have the same vision, y'all all headed in the same direction, it's gonna be 100 times easier for y'all to accomplish the dream you want to accomplish. You know what I'm saying? But this is your boy Jonathan Belcher. I'm about to tune out. I'm about to just lay out here on the beach by the water now. Beautiful water, beautiful. Beautiful out here. Check out the links in the description below. See you on the inside. Peace.